Ladies and gentlemen, once again you are most welcome. In today's video we are going to learn how we can insert a hyperlink in Microsoft Excel. A hyperlink is very important because it helps you to navigate from one page to another or from one software to another. So in this case we have a list of procedures we can follow, but I'm going to take you direct to the software, that's Microsoft Excel, and then I show you how you can do that using the inbuilt libraries. So to do that, I'm going to open Microsoft Excel, and now I will, after opening that, I will choose one of the existing or one of the recent document, which is Talks Secondary Education. And now in this document, I will select one of the values, say chemistry. And now after selecting chemistry, maybe I can go ahead and format it for easy identification. I make it bold and change the color to green. So after that, I can also increase its size. Now I want to insert a hyperlink on this. So a hyperlink, I told you, it helps you to move it links you to another page within the same software or within another software or a web page. So now what I'm going to do, I go ahead and click on that. I will select that, then go to Insert tab in the ribbon. From there, select the link. This one helps you to add the hyperlink. You can also use the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl+K. So go ahead and click on that. Now you get a dialog window that pop-ups on the screen. So on this dialog window, what you are going to do, you will choose and see one of these files that you want to link this page to. So I'm going to select the first this video, which is called 0.mov. Then I go ahead and press OK. So once that one is done, you can now see that this chemistry has been changed with an underline, and even the color changed to blue. Remember, it was green. And when you hover a cursor, on top of it, the cursor changes into a hand, meaning that, and you see that's telling you that when you click once to follow, then and hold and then select the cell. So I want to open this, click on it, and then I follow the procedure and I see what I will get. So click on that, then you get another dialog window pop up on the screen where they are telling you that you are trying to open a directory C users in the downloads, and you are trying to open this file which is located in this directory. So go ahead and press OK to open the file, and then after that, now you can see
hello everyone.
I've got a video
welcome
which
to our
I've
channel,
and this video is for Pastor Francis trying to teach chemistry. So that's what I try to do, like linking different pages.
So today we are going to dive into
I'll
the
go ahead
computer
and
system.
close this. After that, I want to remove this hyperlink. So to remove the hyperlink, select the value, and then right click. Go ahead and select remove hyperlink. Then after that, now you can see the hyperlink has been removed. I want to repeat with one of the values, say biology. So I go ahead and right click on biology. I can go ahead and click on this link, or I can use the insert button and check for the hyperlink. So when I click on that, I can go ahead and get one of the videos again. Say one of these videos, I can put which one? I can put this chemicals of life. So I want to link chemicals of life to that biology, because you know chemicals of life lies under biology. So I go ahead and click OK. So now a link has been applied. Once I want to open that, click on it, then go ahead and press OK, and then from there go ahead and open with any of the prayer media, and then from there now you'll see a video of teacher Simon is trying to explain or to teach chemicals. So
for advanced
Generally,
level
that's how we
biology.
can really insert
And our main
hyperlinks and
focus
also
still
remove the hyperlinks
looking at chemicals of life
given selected values
in
in
this,
Microsoft Excel
let's
spreadsheet.
center much
So I
on
can go ahead
formation
and of course remove that. Then I go ahead, maybe I want to remove the hyperlink, or I want to edit the hyperlink by adding any other values or any other page. Can be you can link this to any data types, can be images, can be videos, can be text, can be a string of values, can be boolean, any data type that you think you want to link to is possible. So guys, I know it has been so good. Go ahead and practice this. If you have any question, feel free to send us a message via our website tebbytalks.com, and also subscribe to our channel so that you can get many videos as they pop in. Otherwise, thank you. Let's catch up in the next video.